What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bino99, and today we got a lot of stuff going on, you know what I'm saying? And let me pull out this package real quick. You know what I'm saying, man? We got another package actually. I don't know why it's undone. We got another package here for y'all. So why don't we get right to it? Oh, I don't need no introduction. Oh shit. Yo, man, that's crazy. Damn. What you been through? Sheesh. But it's alright though. But yeah, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming for sure, man. Like, wow. Let me open this up. More Air for the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1. I'm not gonna read the rest, but you already know what's in this box. And you can read this on Google if you want to, but I'm not reading this whole thing. Man, that's crazy. And boom, here we have the Sean Witherspoon Air Max 197. Man, it's what I mean by, if y'all don't know what a 197 is, it's a mixture between the Air Max 1 midsole and the Air Max 97 top sole, basically. So it's just one in complete form. They need to make more like this, I ain't gonna lie, but they stopped doing that. But let me get back to the shoe. This shoe was created by Sean Witherspoon himself, not Sean Cliver. I'm gonna say Sean Cliver, but Sean Witherspoon. I stopped myself, you see what I mean? Let me put this to the side. This shoe was created by Sean Witherspoon himself, and to top it all off, I don't know too much history about the shoe, but this shoe is literally a skateboarding shoe. You can wear this in skateboarding. You can use it in skateboarding. You can wear it casually. A lot of people wear it casually, but since I have this pair now, I'm not gonna wear it like as a skateboarding shoe, because you know, we ballers, we don't do that shit. I'm just gonna wear it as a casual shoe on a daily basis. But it looks like a good summer shoe. Like, look at the insole. Has that smiley face. You know, when you're feeling down, but you're wearing this to make you feel happy. And we got the back. It says Sean Witherspoon. Well, and initials. Yeah. And we also got the little tongue. The tongue right there where you can remove it. You see? And it shows the same thing. It also comes with patches as well, which I'm gonna show in a minute. But the threading, the details of this shoe is amazing. Like, it's so amazing, man. It's really amazing for sure. Absolutely amazing. I can't lie to you guys. This pair is absolutely crazy. It comes with different colors. It got that olive green, that brown below it, the gold Nike check on the side. Got that purple, blue, pink, and also a lightish green color, along with yellow up top of the base. It's like layers. It's basically like a layer cake. You know what I'm saying? And it's a good shoe. It's really good shoe. And even the inside of the shoe as well, super soft. Like, okay, if you wear this in the winter, you are going to be warm on your feet. I'm not 100% sure this warms your feet, but I feel like you're gonna be very comfortable wearing this in the winter time. But on the bottom, has that Air Max 1 bottom sole, so it's a good shoe to have right here. It's a good shoe. And yeah, also it comes with laces, as you can see, elastic laces. What else it come with? Purple laces, blue, white. I know it comes with another set too. Where's the other set at? That's all good. My bad, y'all. Right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the patches are inside there. You can switch them up however way you want to. But yeah, how y'all feel about these? Y'all mess with these shoes? Like, would y'all get a pair? Even, I mean, still, you can get a pair on StockX. I don't know how much they cost, but they probably might be like $2 something since it passed, since like 2019. But or you can get them on GOAT. I know GOAT charges more, so I best recommend you, if you're gonna get a pair like this, go on StockX And no, I did not cop them from StockX. So yeah, but if you want to cop them on StockX, you can. If you want to cop on GOAT, hey, do anything you want. It's your money. Do however you want with it. I don't care. I'm just giving you options. But yeah, to me, like, to rate this shoe, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I've seen so many people wear these. I see so many people talk about them, flip them, use them for resale prices, whatsoever. But for me, this is going for the toe. This is going to the toe for sure. For sure. And yeah, like, I'm just gonna keep them. I'm not gonna give them to nobody. This is like a keeper right here, because to have this pair makes your collection much more interesting for sure. So thank you to the plug for sending me these. I appreciate you for sending me these, and I can't wait to rock them for sure. So now let's get to this OnFoot review. Let's go.